Jeb McCaleb, the Ripple founder, who is selling off all of his tokens, says he is going to keep the rest of his Ripple tokens. We're going to talk all about it. Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today I want to talk to you guys all about XRP and Ripple. Now, before you get all pissed off and start hopping in the comment box and say, hey Jay, Ripple's a piece of and it's a scam and all this stuff, look, I don't care. Right off the bat, I don't care. I don't fall in love with coins, and I don't fall in hate with coins. I don't fall in love with coins, and I don't fall in hate with coins. I don't know why I repeated that twice. I just had to make sure I said it right. But I don't really hate Ripple. It's just that me personally, I don't agree with I just don't think that we're going to need remittances in the long term if we have crypto, but that's a different story for a different day. This video is about something that is very bullish for Ripple, a couple things that are very bullish for Ripple actually. So if you're excited about that, go ahead and like the video for me real quick. So first things first, the first thing I want to talk about is the Ripple trading volume has increased. The Ripple trading volume has jumped. Like, more people are paying attention to Ripple. Also, on-chain data and on-chain transactions for Ripple have increased. Now, I don't know who actually flipped the on switch for Ripple, but they actually did it, and that could show up in the price in the next coming days. Also, the SEC case with Ripple, although it is what it is, I talked about the case before, my thoughts on it and how I was looking at the whole thing with the case. I want to see how it's really going to play out, like what type of fine are they going to try to hit Ripple with and all this stuff like that. But when it comes to the case overall, I think people are kind of hyping up what it's going to mean for the crypto space. I don't necessarily think it's going to set like some type of crazy precedent just based on what they're accusing Ripple of. You know, I think once they're able to say it's a security or not, it's gonna kind of, it doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter, because there's a lot of other coins that did things the same way as Ripple, and there's a lot of other coins that did things different from Ripple. So there's a big narrative about that. But when the case does end, there will be a bunch of people who say, yes, this is finally over. Like, people are waiting for that day. I've seen at least 20 different people post and say that, hey, once the case, if they beat the case, I'm buying. So that can just mean some bullish things for Ripple right there. So we got this trading volume increasing. Maybe some of these people, these insiders who've been holding Ripple, these insiders who've been selling Ripple, because there has been people dumping on the Ripple price, which has been suppressing the price. But maybe some of them are getting done. Maybe some of them, like, a whole bunch of speculation in this video about Ripple, right? Because really nobody knows. And if anybody's out here telling you that they know for sure, like, discredit them a little bit, because nobody really knows what's going to happen. Like, we're all just waiting to see what's going to happen, and therefore if it doesn't go our way, we can be screwed. So we just want to prepare for that. Although we don't believe, or people don't believe that that's going to happen, we just want to be prepared for it, because I don't have a lot of money invested in Ripple, because I have other investments that are in a better place and not in an SEC court case. Simple as that. What if the SEC does something shady and they win? You know what I mean? So you never know. I just don't like to have a lot of my money riding on something like that. But that's just me. This is bullish for Ripple right here. Ripple co-founder Jeb McCaleb is making a U-turn on selling his last 5 million tokens. I talked about this. I talked about how this guy's been burning tokens, selling tokens. I mean, every chance he got, every chance they allowed him to sell tokens legally, he was selling them, because he had so many tokens. They're like, look, don't kill the market, don't just, but he's been dumping his tokens, and then he's part of a different competitor for Ripple, so he probably don't care about what happens. But very interesting. It says right here, Jeb McCaleb sold many millions of XRP. Maybe that's one of the reasons the price has been getting held down, I don't know. But pretty interesting right here. He said, well, if you think about it, it would be really stupid if I sell it all. I mean, what if it really goes to $5.89 a token? I could be rich. Now, it's not going to $5.89 a token just based on tokenomics and the amount of money in the world. That's just, go argue with somebody else about that. But it can go to a very nice evaluation, and it can make some good money. And he has 1 million of them. So if the token just goes to, like, $2 or $3, then he'll be up. you know, for sure. So pretty interesting to see him kind of changing his whole mind about what he's gonna do with his Ripple and all that good stuff. So this is the chart of Ripple. This is another bullish thing that I wanted to talk about because this thing is looking like it could be bullish on the daily chart. Now I want to remind people that all of these coins follow Bitcoin, and if Bitcoin on the weekly chart does not get over the 200 moving average as of recording this video, or by the end of this week or very soon, all these bullish ideas are going out the window and we're having a nice big dip. But interesting things happening on the daily, and the move has to start on the daily for Ripple. So right now, keeping in mind that it is a Saturday night and there's a lot less trading volume, we have the 13 moving average curving above the 34 moving average, but we have this trend line that's been pretty on point since like May 22nd. It's been acting as a nice trend line. It has one touch here, two touch there, three, four touch there. And if you don't know what I'm talking about and you don't know how to trade, go ahead and check out my trading course right here. I got links in the description for that. Or if you want to pay for crypto, you can go ahead and buy the NFT and it will allow you to get the trading course. Check that out. Made it for you guys. But back to the Ripple thing right here, we can see we got above that trend line, and then we're having our first day above this trend line for a while. Now there is some more resistance in here, and this is actually the key resistance level right here that Ripple has to get above. So let's put it right here at around 0.37. Ooh, those sound like gunshots. Maybe it's just fireworks left over. People still busting fireworks. It's July 16th. They don't care. But yeah, looking at this right here, this could actually be some type of bearish flag on the weekly chart, but on the daily chart, you know, it's looking like it could end up getting bullish. There could be a double bottom right here, but getting above, you know, 37 cents could mean an SR flip, and we can try to get this level to actually be support. So the price would come up here and then it would hold right here and then it will continue higher. Now I heard that again, that was not fireworks, that was definitely gunshots. Definitely. But yeah, if it does that, that will actually make this price right here would be like some type of weird head and shoulders if something like that happens. But yeah, the price action is not looking that bad for Ripple. Okay, now that I hear it again, I know for sure that it was fireworks. My bad, y'all. My bad. Crazy things going on in the background. But the price of Ripple is looking pretty good, along with some other bullish things going on in the market. Now, Ripple didn't really have its crazy run in the bull run like I felt like it should have had. I felt like the price was suppressed for a long time, probably because of the limited access and the limited liquidity, and people in the US couldn't get it and stuff like that. You had to do workarounds. I think it might have some breathing space, and it will move by itself, in my opinion. I think while all the other coins are sleeping, Ripple will probably get its day. But the rest of the market has to participate. I mean, as far as Bitcoin, like Bitcoin can't be dumping all the way until, you know, 15,000, 12,000 and Ripple jump. That's just not going to happen. But if Bitcoin kind of goes sideways or has a nice bump, I think Ripple could be one of the tokens that starts to do good in that period of time. So let me know what you guys think of the video. Check out my website, everythingcurrencycrypto.com. Got NFTs. I got courses for beginners who don't know anything about crypto and who want to learn how to have a good investing mindset. I got that. I got trading courses where if you don't even know what the hell these charts are saying and what I'm looking at, I can even teach you what these numbers mean up here, what these numbers do over here, teaching everything in that thing. So like the video, subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed to the channel. Some rich investors say that you should buy when there's blood in the streets. RIP to crypto roots. Till next time, peace.